Welcome to our comparison of two popular mini dishwashers, the EUHOMY Mini Portable Dishwasher and the AIRMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Both are designed for compact living spaces, but they have distinct features that may appeal to different users. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. The EUHOMY Mini Portable Dishwasher is priced at $269, making it a more affordable option for those on a budget. In contrast, the AIRMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher comes with a price tag of $359, reflecting its additional features and premium build quality. If cost is a major factor for you, the EUHOMY may be the better choice. When it comes to warranty, the EUHOMY offers a 1-year warranty, while the AIRMSEN provides a more generous 2-year warranty. This extended warranty from AIRMSEN can give users added peace of mind, especially for those investing in a new appliance. In terms of noise level, the EUHOMY operates at a quieter 40 decibels, making it suitable for small living spaces where noise can be a concern. On the other hand, the AIRMSEN has a noise level of 50 decibels, which is slightly louder but still manageable. If noise is a critical factor for you, the EUHOMY might be the preferable choice. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and AIRMSEN mini dishwashers offer great features for compact living. The EUHOMY is more budget-friendly and quieter, while the AIRMSEN provides a longer warranty and a premium design. Consider your needs and preferences before making a decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.